right now we're just dipping our feet in the pool. So yeah, and here's the pool, if you can see it. And we're about to go to the beach. So yeah. Oh, my shirt's color changing.
Oh, mine is too. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh yeah, mine.
Hey guys, right now we are at the beach and I am wearing a towel and stuff, and here is the water. So it's like this, and it's so nice, and Laurel is over there, and yeah. Okay guys, right there is Laurel. Laurel, how's the beach so far? Good. Hey guys, right now we are in the jacuzzi and it feels so nice. And yeah, so we have our water bottles on the water bottle floaties. It just feels so nice. And now I'm gonna turn on the jet.
Toys.
How do you turn on?
Let me do it.
How do you turn on the jet?
Let me do it.
Oh.
Let me do it.
Okay, I don't know how to turn on the jets, but they turn on. And how do you do the powerful ones?
Make sure you press it twice.
Oh yes. Okay.
You just like to look good and stuff, don't you?
Sweet.
It feels so good.